Hello, this is Dr. Vukica Ivanovic, and I'm about to show you how I would do the part 3 from your homework 5 in MET 240. So this is the corner stop, and again here I will use the machinist approach. So I'll start with a block of this part, and then I'll start by adding other stuff. So let's see what is here the design envelope. What are the biggest dimensions? So here I have a radius of 2, so it seems like this is 4, and this would be 5.25 plus 2, so it will be 7.25 by 4, and the height will be 2.5. So I'll go to Inventor, create a new part in inches, and then I will save this part. Like this, and then I go here to the origin, create two-dimensional sketch here in this plane, and then I'll create a rectangular shape, and the height would be 2.5, and then this dimension would be, here they have 5.25 plus the radius of 2. So Milwaukee twice, and what I have here, I will extrude this by 4. Middle mouse key twice, extrude 4 inches. This is what I have. Now let's see what, and I'll save this. So I might create here the, maybe remove this one. So I have 2.25 and I have this angle of 60. So I will go to this top part and top view, sorry, and I just need this, and I'll have here 60, and they have dimension of 2.25. Finish, and then I will extrude this one from here. I'll say cut through all, and then hit like this. And then let's see what else. I might try to add the radius of 2 here, so I have that kind of thing. So I'll go to radius, fillet, and I'll select here radius of 2, and I'll select this point and this point here. And you see in this way I can create that fillet. And I can create the hole. I have this hole 1.2.5, or I can create it later after I cut away what I don't have here. So I like to cut that, and I have here, what do I need first? So you see I have 3 and 45. Yeah, let me use that. 3 and 45, and I'll cut away this surface here. So 3, 4 point. So, but I would like to use the plane on the back. Create this one, and all I need is one line like this, and this would be 45, and the other one, oh, 3, I didn't have it from there. So let's see, 3 plus 1.25. Oh, maybe I should have waited for this after I cut. Okay, so let me wait with this later. I don't have all the dimensions needed. So let's see what I can do next. So for this 3, 45 didn't give me that. So here 1.25 from the center of this hole, and then there's some cut. So it seems like this would be 2 plus 1.25, and then down by this number. So let's create that first. So I will use this plane as a sketch plane, and I need to project existing geometry because I would like to use that as my reference. So I would like to cut away something from here like this, and I have, which dimension? I have 1.5. This would be 1.5, and this other one would be, in this case, 1.25 plus 2, this radius that I have. You see here, this 1.25 plus here 2. And then I'll finish this, and I'll say extrude, cut through all, everything, and I didn't select the profile, so the one I just made like this. And now I can create the hole, which is 1.25. You see this one, hole, and I'll select concentric. I'll select this plane and this reference, and the hole should be 1.25 like this. And there is another hole here, which is 0.75, and I have here dimensions 2 and 1.25, so I can do that hole as well, linear somewhere here, and I'll select from here, from this, by 1.25, and oh, I should not have clicked enter, so right click edit feature, and then let me add another reference from here. That should be, oh sorry, it's not from there, it should be from the other, this one. It should be 2, and then don't hit enter until you change the size, 0.75. Here it is. And I guess here I only have to have one more feature. You see that one more feature is this one here. So it's radius, so 1.25, and the depth is 75. So I'll go here, create two-dimensional sketch in this plane, and I'll create a circle somewhere. I can position it later to the right place, and this circle we have to be, so the center should be in this point, so I can add that with this constraint, coincident. So I'm selecting the center, and I'm selecting this plane, and let's see where exactly will that be positioned. Where do they have it? Probably in the middle, because it doesn't have that dimension. I don't see it here, so it should be probably in the middle in this terms, and then 1.25. So let's see, from here to here, and let me make that 2, so it's in the middle like the other one was. And I mean, I could cut what I don't need like this, or I can just leave it like this circle and then cut with a circle. So if I trim like this, and then I should have added the dimension 1.25. You see, it looks like this. So it's half of the circle, and then I'll say finish, and I'll say extrude this, cut, and I might say here 0.75, 0.75. That's exactly what I need. And there is one more feature in the back, this line 45 and 3. So I'll just select this one, and there is one line here, and then I'll select dimension from here to there, 3, and angle is 45, like this, 45, enter, finish, and I'll create extrude of this triangle, cut, and just go through all. And then I can select here home, and that's all I want. And if you're not sure if it's really what you wanted to create, you can select wireframe with hidden edges and compare what you have here with the image you have in front of you. And I'll leave shaded with edges and save this. And if you want to convert the PDF, right click twice, home, and then go here, export PDF, and just save with the same file name. And that was basically all I want to share with you with this tutorial.